Hey beauties, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. I am bringing you another Love Me hair review. All right, so here's what came in my box. A comb, praise God. I needed a new comb. They got some lashes, y'all. I didn't even know that. Then they got this little thingamajig thingy. Then there's scrunchie, which is real cute. Okay, I love that color. And oh, some Christmas nails. Y'all know I'm throwing those away. And some earrings. Well, shout out to the earrings. All right, let's get right into it. We're going to wash our hair. I'm using my Power Greens shampoo. You know why we want to wash the hair, y'all? Because the hair has been through so much with like shipping, and it's touched so many hands, and now we got a lot of COVID to worry about. So you might as well just go ahead and wash all of that out of the hair. Who knows? It might be some debris in the hair, and you want to comb it out, make sure you get everything out. And I decided to shampoo it again because that water was jawed dirty. I was like, yeah, this joint needs a second washing, okay? So I shampooed it twice, combed it out, detangled it. The hair is very soft and manageable. Now we're moving on to conditioning the hair. As y'all can see, I didn't have much conditioner left. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a bottle of conditioner, okay? I ain't gonna hold y'all. I went to the store the next day to get some conditioner. Anyways, you're gonna put conditioner in your hair and really run it through the hair and let it sit for a while. So conditioning helps smooth and detangle the hair, and it helps gives your hair more body. And we want our wig to have body, yada, 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 yada. Here's what the wig looks like after it dried for a whole day. I wanted y'all to see the hairline before we start plucking. All right, so I put the wig on a wig head and I put some styling foam on the hair so it could all be pulled back. All right, so this is my first time ever plucking a wig, y'all. Okay, so once the hair is pulled back, you're going to part a little bit of the hair out. You're going to take some tweezers and you're going to start plucking. So why are we plucking the hair? We're plucking the hair to give the hairline more of a natural look so it doesn't look like super full, because nobody's real hairline in real life is really that full. So, you just want to I'd say about every 1 centimeter or so, pluck some of the hair, y'all. And don't be scared. I was real scared, but don't be scared. It's going to look bomb at the end. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. I even decided to pluck a little bit of the hairs in the front of the hairline. So here's what it looks like once all the plucking is done. Next, we're going to get ready to blow dry the hair. So I have some olive oil heat protectant, which smells really, really bomb. So make sure y'all get that. It's with grapeseed oil, so it smells really, really good. And then I'm just going to blow dry the hair so it doesn't look stiff. We just, we treat this as if it's our own hair, y'all. So, give it a blow drying so it can add some body back to the hair. All right, y'all, I'm back with my wig. Washed it 2 days ago, plucked and blow dried it yesterday. So now let's get ready to cut the lace and actually try it on now that my hair is flat. All right, so we got our band here. This is not a removable band, just a FYI. And then you have 1, 2, the 3 combs up here. And then your 1 comb in the back and your adjustable straps. So they're on the second to last hook. So let's see how that fits my big old head. Okay, this fit is not bad, but I want it tighter. So I am gonna do the last hook. Okay, so here and here. This band part goes in the back. I thought it went in the front for some reason, but it goes in the back. So I am not attaching the combs in the middle since I have the stocking cap on. I am gonna make sure the comb in the back, this one, hopefully y'all can see, this comb is secured underneath. We're gonna do that. Okay, so that feels good. That feels good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I have straight hair. We are gonna clip our hair back. It's ours because we bought it. And get ready to cut this lace. I'm gonna start right here on the side. And just cut a piece in the middle. And let's go around the hairline. So here's what we got so far. Obviously, I need to go back in and do some more cutting. So that's what I'm gonna do. I need to free up my ear. We just gotta cut a little bit of this part off. I just need my ear to be able to breathe. So first we'll cut the lace part before cutting the hair. We're just gonna cut around the ear. I know. You're gonna cut some of the hair, that's okay. Of course, part before you do this. Make sure the hair out the way. This part too, I wanna cut some more of the lace. All right, so here's what we have so far. Let's find our part. Where are we gonna part this hair? Flat right here is getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna have to cut it. It's really just gonna bother me if I don't. Can't be afraid to cut here, okay? We gotta do what we gotta do. Just decide if this is where I want the part. I like to wear my part on this side naturally though. But it just don't seem like the hair gonna go that way. See, the hair wants to go this way. I'm gonna go as far back as I can with the part. Just to make it look more natural. In an effort to get some of this hair to stay down, I'll just apply my hot comb, which is off, so it's not hot. So while the hot comb is getting hot, I did decide to pluck near the part so that the part can look more natural as well. Then I went in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Rich Cocoa. We are getting the lace to blend in with our skin. I will have a link in my description box below to the e.l.f. product. All right, I'm gonna spray my olive oil heat protector. It's infused with grapeseed oil and this thing smells good. All right, see, I know what we do with our hot comb to make this look real. We are just going to hot comb down the front and where the part is. Let's cut our baby hairs. All right, so we're parting out a piece of the front section of our hair and we're using an eyebrow razor to cut the hair off to create our baby hairs. Then I'm going in with my wax stick. I'll also have a link in my description box below to this product to slick down the baby hairs. You know what? It is a bit of a process. Y'all know I'm still learning how to do baby hairs. I was like, okay, obviously I need some more baby hairs. That wasn't enough. So I brought out some more hair and this time I used my scissors and I went in with my style mousse to slick those hairs down. So the style mousse mixed with the wax gave what it was supposed to give. I ain't no pro at this, but I'm trying here. I'm trying. Let's just get the flat ironing. Okay, let's get the flat ironing. Okay, so my hair was actually already cute as is. But anyways, for look number one, I went in with the flat iron and did like just the basic bump under. And I also have another look that I did. So y'all stay tuned to see the second look that I came up with this hair. we're working with something. Something. Oh Lord, y'all, here I am attempting to create more baby hairs. My oh my, should I have left this one alone? First and foremost, I cut them things too daggone short. What was I thinking? I wasn't thinking, that's a problem. Then I was like, oh, let me use my wax stick. And it just wasn't given. It wasn't. I was like, you know what, forget about it. Just blend it back in. Put some more wax on it, okay? Brush it, okay? Because we're going to act like that this never happened. We're just gonna act like it never happened. Blend them a little bit of hairs left back in. You know, flat iron the hair, hot comb it, melt the wax, and we're just gonna omit that part, okay? All right, so this is the first look, which is just like, you know, just a basic bumped bob. Okay, so let's get into look number 2. So look number 2, I was like, okay, I need some more body. I need more to this blunt bob. So I decided to feather curl the hair, and y'all wait till y'all see this. This came out much better. The hairstyle ended up having more body, having more bounce. I did have to, you know, part the hair and go section by section to curl it back to give it that feather curl look, but it was so worth it. Whew. This wig was some work. All right, so like I said before, this is my first time getting a straight hair human hair wig. So this was new for me. And I ain't gonna hold y'all, I was a little nervous. Because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's straight hair. It's different. I'm used to like curly textured hair, which is easier for me to manage. I don't have to do as much manipulation. But for this one, baby, y'all saw the work that I put in. But you know what? It's cute. It's different. It's definitely different for me. I can see that you can do a lot of things with it, from blow drying to flat ironing to cutting it. This is new. This is cute. It's a different look for me. I feel like it ages me. It makes me look a bit more mature, even though we all know I'm very immature. But it's the look. That's how you catch them. Anyways, I do love the texture of this hair. It's very soft, very easy to run my hands through. I don't really want to mess up the curls, so I ain't gonna do too much. The product holds. Y'all saw it was able to go through a lot of heat, so it withstands heat. And this is cute, short, and fun. So if you want something short, you want something cute, you want something you could play with, I would highly suggest this wig. It looks like it could be low maintenance, but we'll see. It's depending on how you want it styled. But like, I feel like with this look, I would probably feather curl it every time that I want to wear this wig. But yeah, I like this wig. It's different, it's soft, it's fun, it's short, it's blunt, and it's cute. And I'm cute. If you want to purchase this wig or any wig from Luvme Hair, make sure you check out the link in my description box below, okay? Below. Go to the description box, check that out. Got a discount for you. You can save some money and you can look good while saving money. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you check me out on Instagram, Soso Models, all right? That's where I post all my pictures, all my short form content. Make sure you follow me there for all the goodness, for all the laughs, and for all your entertainment. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.